If you have hooded eyes and you're also a beginner in makeup and you just don't know what you're doing, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do this. First step is to relax your face, okay? Don't raise your eyebrow up, don't do anything. Now I'm taking a brush that kind of has a curve to it, and I'm just taking a really dark brown. You can use any color that you want, doesn't have to be brown. And right at the corner of your eye, above your crease, you're going to start tapping this in a half circle shape. You might have to bring this pretty close up to your eyebrow. Don't worry, I think it looks fine. If you want, you can also kind of complete that circle and bring this underneath your eye just a little bit. Okay, so just make a circle around your eye. Then you're going to go back into that shade and really start tapping this in to make sure it's super pigmented. I'm going to take a really thin pointed blending brush and I'm going to stamp it right on the edge of this eyeshadow, and we're going to go side to side to kind of help soften it up. Now I'm going to take a really big fluffy brush with a lighter brown. And you see where that color starts to get a little bit lighter, a little more smokier? That is where we're going to tap our lighter brown right on top and a little bit farther than that line. And again, just build this up until it's super pigmented. And right on the edge of that lighter brown, we're going to take our brush and we're going to go in little circles, kind of side to side. And the farther that I blend this out, the less pressure I'm going to use. So I'm using the most pressure right here, going in little circles, lighter, 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 barely touching my skin the farther I go out. Now I'm just going to take some Vaseline on a really thin carving brush. And you're going to put a thin line of this right at the lash line, and then you're going to look up as high as you can. And then you'll see that it kind of marks out where you should cut your crease. And you're just going to bring that Vaseline all over that lid. Then take a Q-tip and just wipe all that product away. Now take some concealer on a small brush and just fill in that shape. Now you can put any color you want in the front here. I'm just going to use white to make it really bright. I can rhyme. But just tap this right on top of that wet concealer. I'm stopping it about halfway right here. And then I'm taking a tan color on the second half of my eye, just tapping that on, overlapping it onto that white. I'm then going back into that light brown we used in the crease, and I'm just going side to side right on this corner. And then just tap on a shimmer right on this outer corner. Mascara, and this is with a pair of lashes. What do we think? Okay, have a good day. Goodbye.